as you can see, the mountain of dirt is almost gone. They've been trucking it away all day. I think the truck that's out there now is on its 7th trip. The other one I think did 6, so that's 13 trips, roughly 10 yards apiece. I would say when this truck is full, we're at about 130 yards. Now, these guys are still digging. Got to do a couple of dispersion pits out here. It's supposed to disperse the water that comes off the roof and from everywhere above me down the hill here, which is nonsense, but that's what they want me to do. And I put 2 3-foot square boxes down right about where we're looking behind the tractor. One there and one on the other end, near the fence. Anyway, see you later.